good afternoon and welcome. My name is Sandra and welcome to my channel. So this afternoon I am going to be doing an unboxing, and the unboxing is Glossybox. So if you're interested in seeing what's inside this box this month, you know what you need to do is just leave a like to this video, and more importantly just subscribe down below. Right, so let's see what we've got inside here. So if you don't know anything about Glossybox, Glossybox is a beauty box subscription. It comes out monthly. If you buy the box on a month-to-month basis, it costs £10 per month plus £3.25. A month ago, or just over a month ago, they introduced a thing where if you signed up to them for a year, they were allowing you to get the box for, I think it was £8 a box plus the £3.25 postage and packaging. So if you sign up for a year, the box then works out to £11.25, I think it is, per month. So it actually works out to be the cheapest beauty box subscription on the market in the UK at the moment. Now, look at this box. So the usual Glossybox is a salmon pink with black writing on it. Occasionally they have theme boxes. So this month they said they were going to have two boxes. You could have a fruit box or you could have a floral box. You didn't know which box you was going to receive, so I have received the fruit box. So I'm really interested to see what's inside this box this month, and it's got a good weight to it as well, so I'm actually quite excited to see what's inside it. Okay, so look at that. It's such a good design, isn't it? It's so pretty. Right, okay. So that's what it looks like. Always get a nice ribbon. I like to keep these ribbons just to use, literally just to tie my niece's hair when I'm messing around with my niece's hair. I treat my niece's hair like a doll. You know, I'm 50 years old and I still play with dolls. My niece's hair. Sorry. That's why we don't really grow up, really, do we? Okay, right, so we do get a leaflet inside the box as well. So the first thing I'll do before I open up and see what's inside it, I'll talk about May's sneak peek. So if you're not interested in to find out what's in May's sneak peek, just turn away for about 10 seconds. So May's sneak peek looks like we've got a choice of two palettes. So we've got that one there and that one there. So in May, we'll be treating you to one of two amazing makeup sets by Barry M. Either the Chisel Cheeks Contour Cream Kit or the Cosmetic Lights Highlighter Palette. They both include 6 cream and powder shades that will help define your features and give you a flawless finish. Which one will you receive? Okay, so that's the main one. So that's a decent little gift for next month. And then on the front there it shows you the two boxes that you could receive, so floral or fruity, and I've got the fruity one there. So it says here, hey Glossies, we're celebrating spring this month with our vibrant fruity or floral editions. You'll receive one of two special design boxes bursting with fruit inspired formulas and blooming with flowery fragrances. Our April edits are filled with 5 lusciously scented products, including a revitalizing overnight skincare treatment filled with botanical goodness and a perfume exclusively packaged to match our fruity and floral glossy boxes. Ooh, that sounds good. We've also included an extra treat, enjoy. All these products will help you look bright and refreshed on the outside. So I'll be sharing scrumptious smoothies and milkshake recipes to make you feel good on the inside. Keep an eye on the Beauty Unboxed blog for more info. Elle Nash, which is the beauty editor, Glossybox. Yeah, so Glossybox, they've got a blog, and I'm assuming it's done by her, Elle Nash, but I'm sure there's a couple of other contributors to the blog, but it's actually quite a nice little blog. A lot of the things are aimed, when they talk about products and review products, they do tend to review products that are suitable for them. Both of them are fairly young white women, so not all the products they feature are suitable for me, because obviously I'm an older black woman, but majority of the products are, and you can get information from their blogs that will suit everybody. So, you know, so just take that into consideration. But their blogs are actually quite nice to read as well. Okay, right, so here we go. It's a really nice box, isn't it? The green and the pink. I always love this combination of colours. Even when I was young, I think from the 80s, in the 80s, there was lots of neon colours, and I used to always love putting neon pink and neon green together. So seeing these colours together kind of fills my heart with joy, because it just reminds me of those days. I just like bright colours. Tell you what, this box looks good, and something has just grabbed my attention straight away. What's this? Oh wow, oh wow, oh wow, oh wow. Hair vitamins by Hair Flick. Vitamins vegan food supplement. And you know what, because I'm very much into sort of trying to sort out my hair. So for those of you who followed me for a long time, I'm on a lot of medication because I've got a chronic autoimmune illness, rheumatoid arthritis. When I was first diagnosed with rheumatoid arthritis, I was put on medication that they were using at the time, and it caused me to lose a lot of hair. I mean, a lot of hair. I mean, I had massive bald patches and all my hair fell out. So my hair has recovered since then. That was about 15 years ago. But my edges have always been very thin, very weak, and my hairline has never been able to recover. So that's why I tend to sort of try to be as gentle as I possibly can. But I'm trying to make a conscious effort now to try to improve my hairline. So I've started using things like carrot oil in my hair now. One of my subscribers, I think it was Onion Head, I think she said it. So one of my subscribers said to me to try out onion oil, to try out carrot oil. So I bought some carrot oil. Damn, that stuff stinks. I mean, I put it in my hair over the weekend in my deep condition, wash it out, and I can still smell it in my hair. So got that in. I also bought some biotin as well, which I take every day as well. So I just take one of these every day. So now got some hair vitamins as well, so I will see if this can work with my medication. Should be all right. So let's see what it says about it here. So we have got oh god, right, yes, I love pink and green, but I can't read. I can't read on there. Right, so we've got Hair Flick, hair vitamins. Boasting a complex blend of vitamins and biotin, these delicious blue raspberry flavoured hair vitamins are scientifically formulated to support healthy hair growth. Enjoy 2 gummies a day, and they'll promote the gorgeous locks you've always dreamed of. They may even improve your skin and nails too. So recommended retail price, 1 week travel pack worth is £4.99, which I'm assuming this is. And full size 1 month supply, recommended retail price is £19.99. 3 and 6 month supply is also available, and you can buy it from hairflick.co.uk. Okay, well, I'm gonna try one of them now, because I haven't even taken the biotin one today, so that shows how strictly I'm following that rule. Ooh, let's see if I can break into it. So I'll take one. Okay, so it's a squidgy gummy thing, and it's blueberry raspberry flavour. Okay, that's all cool. Okay, I'll eat those because it tastes like sweets and I love sweets. Right, so we've got something from Dr. Pawpaw here, a very familiar brand if you are a regular Beauty Box subscriber. We normally get Dr. Pawpaw in the yellow tube, and I do tend to give it away because I don't really have much use for products like this, but we'll see what this one's all about. So it's Dr. Pawpaw Multi-Purpose Soothing Balm with Natural Pawpaw for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing with a hint of a tint, fragrance free. So it's the same as the other one, it's just that I'm assuming it's pink rather than yellow. So Hot Pink Balm, formulated with moisturising pawpaw fruit. This lip balm boasts the same fruity formula as the original balm, but with an added on-trend pink tint. It nourishes and hydrates your pout while adding a touch of colour. Apply to your lips for a glossy finish, or to your cheeks for a fresh and rosy look. Recommended retail price is £6.95. Let's try that. I've only got a lip balm on, this lip balm on, which I got from Beauty Kitchen. So I'll write that off. Right, it's got a nice safety seal. That's always encouraging to see. Okay, so it's a very hot pink colour. Let's see what this is like. Okay, so it's just got a gentle colour, but it's very moisturising. No taste. Yeah, and it's very moisturising. So yeah, I'll keep that, obviously, since I've already opened it. I'm off work for the next 2 weeks. Woo woo! So after the last couple of months, which have been really crazy, so I've taken a couple of weeks off. So you will see more videos from me at this time of day. And when I'm at home, I don't tend to put on a lot of makeup. All I've literally got on today is a CC cream. The CC cream I've got from Thrive Cosmetics. Not this product, but it's by them, and I've got it in my skin colour, and I've done my brows, and that's it literally. So that's all I've got, and I've got a little bit of eyeliner on. That's it. Right, so that's a good product, so I'm pleased with that. Oh, next we've got a perfume. Oh, this is nice. Oh, where's the lid? You know, I miss getting perfumes from places like Pink Parcel, because Pink Parcel used to always give us nice full-size perfumes. But we got one in Glossybox this month, so this, I'm assuming it's a perfume. Your one Melon. Your one a Melon. Is that right? Liam, let me just read this thing. Right, so we've got a perfume here from Jean Arthries, I think that says. So your one in a Melon Eau de Parfum. So produced by Jean Arthries, I'm not sure how to pronounce her surname, and bottled in bespoke fruity packaging that matches the design of your box. This perfume boasts a gorgeous exotic and fruity fragrance. It blends tangerine, blackcurrant and passion fruit with delicate notes of raspberry, peach and apple to create a fresh and feminine scent that will delight your senses. Recommended retail price is £20.99, so wow, that's a good value. So you can buy it from Glossybox, this fragrance, so glossybox.co.uk, and you could also buy it from gian-arthres.com/en for England /. Let's try this, because I haven't got any perfume on. Oh, it's very fruity. Right, I'll give that time to settle down. Oh, very light and girly, very, very girly. Oh wow, okay. Oh, so I've just seen a product which I've like received God knows how many times in the last 6 months or so. So this is from Dr. Botanicals. It's the Post Sleeping Mask. I know it is without even looking at it. Let's see if I'm wrong. Yeah, it's a pomegranate superfood regenerating sleeping mask. Honestly, I've got so many of these. So I think I've received 4 of these now in the last 6 months. I have given 2. I've given 1 away. I've given 1 away already. I've got 1 up there in my stash as backup, and I've got 1 which I use at the moment. So I use this maybe once or twice a week in between my other nighttime products I use. So I don't use this every night, just maybe once or twice a week I use this one. So I've got that already, and I've received another one here. So I'm not sure, I'm probably going to give this one away. I might give this to my sister because she is still suffering from fairly dry skin all over at the moment, so I might give that to her. So what do we say about this? I should know the script for this by heart now, really, shouldn't I? So Dr. Botanicals Pomegranate Superfood Regenerating Sleeping Mask. Wake up with an energized and refreshed complexion thanks to this regenerating sleeping mask. Rich in moisturizing pomegranate, its all natural and vegan formula deeply nourishes and hydrates your skin. Apply a thin layer to clean and dry skin before bed, then let the mask work its magic while you sleep. Recommended retail price. This is a deluxe mini 30ml and it's worth £14. Full size, which is 50ml, is worth £19. I mean, it's a good product. It does leave the skin feeling really nice at the end of the night. So it's, you know, when you make up the next day, the skin does feel hydrated, plump and nourished. So it's a good product. So yeah, so that's all good. Now this is what's surprising me, is this. I got this in a TRESS box in February, was it? February's box? No, it was in March's box. Yeah, March's box by Palmer's Natural Fusions range. So we've got a larger packet of this, and it's the hair mask, which is a really nice hair mask. I liked it. So it's the Natural Fusions Chia Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask. Deeply repairs and boosts hydration. This is a smaller packet. I mean, as I said, I received the full packet. The full packet was enough for 2 uses on my hair because I've got short hair. If you've got longer hair, this will probably maybe be enough. Yeah, it should be enough, I think. So you're getting 30ml in this, and it's a good conditioner. Right, so what do they say about it? Natural Fusions Chia Seed and Argan Oil Hair Mask. We're also treating you to the intensive and deeply conditioning hair mask that nourishes dry and damaged locks. It's formulated with argan oil, which boosts hydration and rejuvenates dull hair, as well as chia seeds, which help protect your tresses. Apply to clean and wet hair from root to tips. Wait 50 minutes, then rinse. Recommended retail price. So this is a deluxe mini and it's worth £1.99. Full size 60 grams is worth £2.99, and you can get it from Palmer's. You can also get this from Superdrug, by the way. So that's all good. It is a nice conditioner. I like using it. And a shower gel, which I'm very happy to receive, because I've been using the one from the Anatomicals one, which I haven't been that impressed with, to be honest. It's nearly finished, so I'm glad to use another one now. So this is from Anatomicals. No, this is from Original Source, and it's an apple and melon shower gel. Bursting with a luscious apple and melon scent, this hydrating body wash is a treat for both your skin and your senses. It's infused with vitamins, antioxidants and moisturising ingredients that nourish and detox your body from the outside in. Better yet, it's paraben free and vegan. Get ready for happy and healthy looking skin. Recommended retail price is £2.30. Price will vary by retailer, and you can buy it from Boots. So yeah, I'm pleased with that actually. It smells nice as well. Yeah, nice fragrance. Yeah, I like this box. Is that everything? Yeah, I like this box. So we've got a nice shower gel, which is always useful. I'm very pleased to get, because as I said, the Anatomicals ones I've been using, I haven't been that impressed with it. Got that in one of the beauty boxes last month. It might have been Glossybox, it might have been Birchbox, but I wasn't that impressed with it. Dr. Pawpaw lip balm. Yep, more than happy to use that. Got it on now. Sleep mask. I'm probably going to put this in a giveaway box. This hair conditioner I know is very good because I've used it already, because I received it in another beauty box, in a hair subscription box I received. It's a very good conditioning mask. And a nice little perfume. It's about time we got a full-size perfume this year. So yeah, really pleased about that. So I think that is a very nice box. Smile for the thumbnail, Sandra. That is a nice box. Right, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please don't forget to give me a... Everything's falling out here. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? Come on now, you know what you need to do. Just press the subscribe down below. So where it says subscribe in red down below, click on that, it will turn grey, and whilst you're at it, you might as well press the little bell, because then that will ensure that you are notified when I do my next upload. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Before I go, just to remind you, I am doing a giveaway. So it's for when I hit 2,000 subscribers. So it's not now, but it's for when I hit 2,000 subscribers. There will probably be more than one winner. So one of the giveaways is the ASOS beauty box, which I did for April. So that's one of the giveaway prizes, and I'm creating another giveaway box, or something else might come along, but there will be another giveaway prize. There's going to be 2 winners for the 2,000 subscriber giveaway. When I hit 2,000 subscribers, I will literally just randomly pick out positive comments from April. So all throughout April, I'm just going to be looking at names of people, people who have commented nice positive comments. It doesn't have to be complimentary about me, just positive comments, nothing negative, because I'm not into negativity. So just a positive comment, and if you're subscribed to my channel, you're going to be eligible, and I'll be picking out 2 subscribers from then. So it's when I hit 2,000 subscribers, whenever that will be, I'll be looking at the April comments made by subscribers, and I'll be picking out 2 winners from there. All right, is that clear? Yeah, cool. All right, take care, and I will see you soon. Bye.